October 13th, this is Dave Dispinette with the Stock Playbook. Where is everybody? Where is the volume, up or down? I mean, this is just crazy. Markets did a lot of nothing today. All three indexes were down much more than they closed down. You know, Dow Jones closed down 40 points after being down 150, 140. The NASDAQ Composite was up 15 points, 0.6%. S&P 500 closed down 3 points after being down 16, 17 points early. Rally closed in the upper end of the range. But again, no volume. I think there's a lot of people sitting on their hands, waiting, looking at these lines, saying, are we going to get above here on decent volume, or is this just another top-of-the-range rally ready to roll over, in which case I'll expect heavier volume to the downside if we lose this 1200, 1180 level on the S&P 500. SPXU, still the best way to play it, 1650. You know, you can give it a little more room if you'd like, if you can assume that kind of risk. Depends upon your investment objectives and your risk tolerance. The bank stocks, we're not going higher without the banks. JP Morgan had a good number, but basically said their ability to make money going forward is being hindered by the government. JP Morgan, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, Credit Suisse, and a bunch of others got downgraded after the close by Fitch, put on negative credit watch, or they're being looked at to be put on negative credit watch. It's all happening as I say this, so I have to delve into it, but that's not good for the financials, and if that's not good for the financials, it's not good for the markets. They're not telling us anything we didn't know, but wanted to point it out to you. I still believe the path of least resistance is lower, and will continue to believe that till the market proves to me differently. Right now, in my humble, and I have to stress, often wrong opinion, this is a market is just bouncing and continuing to be in this range. Could it take out 1230, go to 1240, maybe 1245 or 50, and then roll over? Absolutely. This market is chopping people up. It's got people turning into bulls when they should be bears, turning into bears when they should be bulls, and it's just basically making every single person out there look stupid. And that's what markets do when you're in a bear market, which ultimately I think we are in. Even though we're not technically down 20%, we did tickle into that area, a week and a half ago. But ultimately I think the market goes lower. Are there buys? Yeah, we highlighted, and this is why I tell you guys to sign up for the free trial. It doesn't cost you anything. But we flagged Spirit Airlines for you yesterday. Nice solid move today. I mean, this is almost a 10% move in a day. Francesca Holdings is one of our stocks on our focus list that we talk often. Shook out down $1 and change before the open. Great opportunity to buy it at the lower end of the range around the 19 level before it reversed. Closed at the upper end of its range. Nuance Communications, Nuance, N-U-A-N, embedded speech and digital imaging software. You hear everybody talk about the Apple 4S and the Siri program that allows you to talk to your phone for search. Nuance Communication makes, the embedded software for this technology, and it's starting to break out, hitting new highs. Silicon Motion, a name our subscribers have had now for the last, 5 points to the upside, moving out. We've given our clients, our subscribers, a lot of ideas. We got a bunch that we discussed today. We had one stock we added to our focus list that we don't do often, but when we do, it's usually our biggest endorsement. So sign up for a free trial and see what that stock was today. Right down near its lows, right next to its recent IPO price, and I think a great opportunity to get long. You want to find out what it is? Sign up for a free trial and check it out. Have a good night. I'll talk with you tomorrow.